Hello, welcome to SIS online classes. Myself Kadir Khan. Today I will teach you class 3rd maths subtraction. Topic is subtraction. What do you mean? What is subtraction? Subtraction means take away or give away. That means less to its previous. Less to its previous. That means I have 4 ice creams and take away 1 ice cream, then 3. So less for previous. That means whenever first time has, then second time or after final less than is called a subtraction. Is called subtraction. So subtraction means take away or give away. Take away or give away something or anything. So this is subtraction. We are learned in class 2nd subtraction numbers problem. Subtraction in numbers problem. But here in class 3rd numbers problem as well as mathematical or word problem. Mathematical or word problem. Whenever a word problem is given to you, then how will solve this methods or mathematical problem? First of all, you read very attentively this mathematical problem and find out this math is going on addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Whenever you find it subtraction, then subtract, or whenever find it addition, then add. So the given example is going on that particular method, add, subtract, division or multiply. So now let's start with an example. Topic subtraction. Missing number of a missing number. First of all, subtopic is missing number. Missing number. Let's an example. 81 minus of is equals to 26. Okay, and second one 98 minus 31 is equals to how many number? So let's understand an example. So first of all 81 minus of nothing or empty this box or is equals to 26. Now how will solve this problem? You find or will determine this one addition or subtraction. Sign is subtraction, so subtract from this to that and get the answer and put it. So now subtract this one 81 to 26 minus 1. Here the number problem is given to that is for like as class 2nd. So first of all we will start addition, subtraction or multiplication from right side to left side. From right side to left side. So right side, the number of right side 1 and 6. 6 is greater than 1. So carry 1 tens places, carry 1 tens places 1 carry 1 tens places, then add 10. So 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. 10 plus 1 is equals to 1. Whenever carry 1, that means 1 subtract there from here, those 8, 7, and add 10 places, then add 10. Okay, so 11 take away 6 is equals to 5, and 7 minus 2 is equals to 5 is equals to 5. Okay, so the answer is 55. So put here 55. Is that clear? So 81 minus 55 is equals to 26. Okay, now next one is 98 minus 31, or 98 subtract from 31, subtract from 91 is equals to how many? So similarly subtract this or that, this process. So first of one 98 and 31 subtract. Same process. It starts from right to left and find right number 8 and 1. So 8 is greater than 1. So here cannot carry tens places. So 8 minus 1 is equals to 7, and 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. So the answer is 67. So the answer is 67. So missing number is a missing number. I hope you will understood missing numbers and do your exercise. Do your exercise in this way. Do your exercise in this way. Okay. Now next topic is regrouping of 3 digits number. Regrouping of 3 digits number, but first of one regrouping of tens. Regrouping of tens. Regrouping of tens. Take an example. Which example? 724 people comes to a trade fair in the morning. That is, first I will read. Listen here. 724 people come to a trade fair in the morning. 118 of them left at 4 o'clock. How many people are still there in a trade fair? Still trade fair. So 724 people come trade fair and give away or take off 118 people of 4 o'clock. Now how many people still there or still trade fair? Okay, so first of one is 724 people. Here and take away 118. So the mathematical problem is going on subtraction, but regrouping of tens or hundreds, subtraction or addition is solved by the process of stepwise. You remember regrouping of addition and regrouping of tens ones places by stepwise. So this subtraction of regrouping of tens is going on stepwise. So 724, first you will write ones, tens and hundred place and 118. Example 4 on your book. Example 4 on your books. So step 1. Step one, remember only one places addition or subtraction. So here subtraction, that means subtract from each other. 4 is less than 8. 4 is less than 8. So carry tens places or side places tens, that means 1, and add tens. Whenever carry tens places, then add tens. Whenever carry 100 places, then add 100. Or add also is 10. So 2 and 1 and add 40. Add 40. Okay? 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. Again, step 1 is over 1 tens, hundreds, 7, 2, 4, 1, 1, 8. Here that was 1. Step 2. Step 2. So here 6, 1, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So step 2 over or done. Then again step 3, 1, tens and hundreds. 7, 2, 4, 1, 1, 8 is equals to 6, 0. Step third, 7 minus 1 is equals to 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. So the answer is 606. So the answer is 606. How many peoples are still there in the trade fair? So there are 606 people. There are 606 people still in trade fair. Trade fair. Still in trade fair. Is that clear? So regrouping of tens. I hope you understood regrouping of tens. But in addition and subtraction, the regrouping of tens, ones, hundreds same, but addition, add and subtraction, then subtract. So next one, regrouping of hundreds. Now let's understand regrouping of hundreds. Regrouping of hundreds. Take an example number 5. Example number 5. First, I will read and listen. Kuber loves collecting coins. Kuber loves collecting coins. He has 749 coins. He has 749 coins. His friend Kunal has 389 coins. His friend Kunal has 389 coins. How many coins does Kamal need to that he has the same number of coins are Kuber? So, how many more coins does Kamal need so that the same number of coins as Kuber? So, first of one, Kuber has, listen, write it, Kuber has 749 coins, okay, and Kunal has 389, and Kunal has 389 coins. Is that clear? Kuber has 749 coins and Kunal has 389 coins. But how many more coins Kunal has collect to same as the number of coins Kuber. Is that clear? So the mathematical problem is going on. Mathematical problem is going on subtraction. So you will do in stepwise. So step 1 same as 1 tens and hundreds, 749 and 389 minus. When you will do step 1 first step, then subtract only ones places. So 9 and 9 take away 9 is equals to 0. So already complete step 1. Then next one step 2. Similarly 1 tens, hundreds, 749 and 389. We got ones places, answer is 0. So next one, 4 stepwise, that means tens places, 4 and 8. 4 is less than 8, so carry 100 places, 1 carry and add tens. So 1 carry, that here 6 and here 40. Here 40. 6 and here 40. Okay. So 14 minus of 8 is equals to 6. So done. Second step now. Step third. Step third. 1 tens, hundreds, 749, 389. We got from first and second step 0 and 6, and here 6. So subtract this. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. So the result is 360. So the result is 360. So how many coins? So Kunal has collected 360 coins. I hope you will understood regrouping of hundreds. Now the regrouping of twice, that means at a time tens and hundreds or ones and hundreds. So regrouping of twice means at a time tens and hundred places carry this or that places. So regrouping of twice. Okay, take an example number 6 on your book. Take example number 6 on your books. Sarthak collects stamps. His stamps book can hold 344 stamps. Sarthak collects stamps book can hold 344 stamps. 344 stamps. He has already collected 155 stamps. collected 155 stamps. How many more stamps must he collect to complete the stamp book? Sardar collects stamps. His stamps book can hold 344 stamps, and he already collected 155 stamps. So how many stamps do you collect, or how many stamps collected does he collect? Then collect must be collected to complete the stamp book. Complete the stamp book. So the mathematical problem of the example is going on subtraction. So subtraction in step wise. So step 1, ones, tens, hundreds. How many? 3, 44 and 155. Subtract from each other. Step 1 is only ones places. 4 is less than 5, so carry this or that. Carry that from tens places. Here 3 and here add 10. That means 14. So 14 minus 5 is equals to 9. 14 minus 5 is equals to 9. So step 1 is already done. So now step 2. 100, tens, 1, 3, 44 and 155. We got from step 1 here 3 and here 9. Okay, here 3 and here 9. So 3 is less than 5, so carry from 100 places 1 and add 10. 2 here and here 10, add, that means 30. That is 30. So subtract from 10 places. 13 minus 5 is equals to 8. Is equals to 8. Now going on step 3, 1, 10, 100, 3, 44 and 155. We got from step 1 step 2 9 and 8. And here 2, that was crossword. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So the result 189. 189. So Kunal has Kunal, how many more stamps must be collected to complete? Kunal collects. Sorry, not Kunal. Sarda collects 189 more stamps to complete stamp book. To complete stamp book. To complete stamp Sarthak. So Sarthak collects 189 more stamps to complete stamp books. Understood? So I hope you will understood. I hope you will understood this subtraction by regrouping method. So you will do your exercise 3.1 and 3.2 in this way. in this way. And if any doubt, comment section. Please like, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day.